myself Aniket Kodikar. Today I am teaching you how to draw planes in cubic system. So we start with our lecture. So our topic is how to draw planes. So first we have to draw the cubic system. So in cubic system there are three revised lattices, that is simple cubic, face centered cubic and body centered cubic. So we are focusing on simple cubic system. So first we have to draw the simple cube. So see carefully how I draw this cube. So this is the cube, and in that first you have to indicate the origin. That is important while indicating the planes. Then you have to indicate the axis. This is x axis, this is y axis, and this is z axis. So in this simple cubic system, that is defined by lattice constants. So there are three lattice constants, a, b and c. So what is a? So a represents the distance from O to the corner point, that is A. Then what is B? That is distance from origin to this corner point, that is B. And C, that is distance from this origin to this corner point, that is called as a C. So these are the three lattice constants, that is A, B and C. Then which are the angles? So this simple cubic system is defined by the lattice constant and lattice angles. So lattice angles are alpha, beta and gamma. So what is alpha? So alpha is the angle between this B and C, that is called as a alpha angle. What is beta? The angle between A and C is called as a beta angle. And angle between A and B is called as a gamma angle. So these are the lattice constant A, B, C and alpha, beta, gamma. These are the lattice angles, and this with the help of this the cubic system is defined. In case of this cubic system, A is equal to B is equal to C. So all these three lines are equal, and the angles, the angle alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma, that is equal to 90 degree. So they are perpendicular to each other. This alpha, beta and gamma, they are always perpendicular to each other. So these parameters define any crystal system. If you go for tetragonal system, here A is equal to B but it is not equal to C. So like that the crystal systems are defined. Then we are moving towards how to draw the planes. So always the planes are indicated by the parenthesis. So these brackets are called as a parenthesis. So in that parenthesis you have to insert your planes like 1, 0, 0. Don't put the comma in between these two numbers while indicating the planes in this parenthesis. Then set of planes are indicated in the bracket, that is called as a curly brackets. So that is used for set of planes. That is used for set of planes. This is only used for indicating the plane only. Then directions are indicated by using this square bracket. Directions are indicated by using this square brackets, and the set of directions are indicated by this angular brackets. So these are the angular brackets that indicates the set of directions, and these square brackets that indicates the set of only the direction. Okay. Then first we have to see how to draw plane. So first we draw this plane 1, 1, 0. Plane, first we draw 1, 0, 0 plane. So for that you have to draw this cubic system. First you have to draw this cubic system. So in this way always you have to draw this cubic system. It is very easy method to draw the cube. Then always first indicate the origin of the cube. So this is your origin. Then indicate the axis. This is x axis, this is y axis, and this is z axis. Then we are drawing this 1 0 0 plane. So that indicates what? So 1 indicates the A value here, A value. This 0 indicates the B value, and this 0 indicates the C value. That indicates the distance. So first is what? 1. So 1 means what? This corner point. Second is 0. That means again it is come towards the origin. C is 0. Again it is comes towards to origin. Then we have to consider this as a three-dimensional cube, and from origin we have to see towards this one point. So this entire plane that shows the 1 0 0 plane, and you have to indicate by hatch lines. You have to indicate it by hatch line. So this is this hatch line mark. This is the plane that indicates the 1 0 0 plane. Then we have to draw 1 1 0 plane. 1 1 0 plane. Same procedure. First you have to draw the cube. First you have to draw this cube in this manner. Then indicate the origin, that is important. This is origin. Then indicate the axis X, Y and Z. Then show the points A, B, C. So A is what? 1. That means in X direction this is 1 point. Second one is B direction, again 1. So this second point. And third one is 0. Again in the Z direction it is again come towards the origin. Then join these 2 points, 1 and 1. Join these 2 points. After that you have to make parallel line in opposite face. So this is your line. Make the parallel line in opposite face. Okay. Then whole this rectangle is nothing but your 1 1 0 plane, indicated by hatch lines. So this is nothing but your 1 1 0 plane. Then how to draw the planes that indicate the bar sign? Suppose you have to draw the plane like bar 1 1 0. So here bar 1 indicates the negative sign, that is -1, then again 1 and 0. So how to use the trick to draw this bar 1 1 0 plane? So for that you have to shift the origin. Here your origin is in this cube is here. So for indicating the negative sign you have to shift the origin in the same direction, that having the negative direction. Okay. Then how to draw? First you have to draw the cube. Then see this, it is X direction, it is in negative direction. So originally we are having this origin. So as it is negative direction in X direction, shift the origin to the X direction. So shift the origin here. So here our new origin is there. Then indicate the axis. This is X axis, this is Y axis, and this is Z axis. So this is positive direction, here negative direction is there. And then you have to indicate this A, B, C points. So A is what? -1. So -1 means what? Here you are getting the point in X direction. Y is what? Again 1. And Z is 0. So you have to join these 2 points. Again draw the parallel line in opposite face. So this one is your bar 1 1 0 plane. This one is your bar 1 1 0 plane. So in this way you have to use the trick. In whichever direction the points are in negative direction, in that direction you have to shift the origin. Suppose you have to draw the plane 1 bar 1 0. So for that you have to shift the origin in Y direction. So that means your origin at this position. So in this way you have to use this trick while drawing these planes. Thank you.